Here's some quick information on spacers we offer. Earlier we offer just, if you need it, like we have a blanking plate if you ever want to remove your roll down coin acceptor. We also offer a plate here that has a free vend button if you're just having a machine at your home. But basically, really, if you're out there to make money, ideally you can mount a credit card reader very easily. And basically the idea is we made a bracket, so you remove this roll down coin acceptor and you install a card reader. Our bracket will work with Nayax Touch. It will also work with masks made by Cantaloupe. So it makes them very easy to install. You don't have to drill into your door. Here, this particular crane game, this toy taxi, has a spot for a validator. So I kind of want to show you a couple tips just to take into consideration. If you don't have a bill validator, no special considerations to take into account. I'm just going to go ahead and open the door, kind of see how everything mounts. So we're, mounting using these existing holes, very easy. Your harness right here for the Nayax runs through here where you have your credits coming in. Your antenna is here. And as you can see, like here between the validator and the door, we have a bit of space. So if just before you order this part, just if you think about it, I'm going to show you that we offer this spacer right here. So basically this gives you about 1/2 inch so the validator moves inward. And the reason that makes it nice is just when you mount this part up here, there's more room for the harnessing. So it's not mandatory you do that. Various games made by different manufacturers that have roll downs could have different spacing, but just like in this case, because the validator's close and it looks perfectly fine from the front, so just a little recommendation. And again, like the card mounting bezels work with Cantaloupe and they work with Nayax, and they're available in 3 colors. They're green, yellow, and black.